What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have another look into the Chainlink price chart to give you an update what has happened. Also we had a rejection. I want to give you an update on the price target of $25.10 if we are still aiming for this, some invalidation levels, some support levels, and to see what potentially is about to happen next. So let's get straight into this. So first of all, since the last update, we have broken the upward trend right here. We have touched the support level that I've mentioned in the last video, made a bounce, and right now it seems like we are getting rejected, first of all from the trend line, and also it looks like a very clean retest right here of this. Right now it's a resistance level right here at $17.18, and we are potentially looking for another retest of this support level right here, potentially forming a double bottoming formation depending on what Bitcoin will do. You know that I have pointed it out that in Bitcoin we are potentially doing this retest. I pointed it out 2 days ago, so that we are revisiting right here the resistance level, get a rejection, and then we are potentially going for the double bottoming formation. Right now it is looking like this. I mean, we came very close today already, but depending on what Bitcoin will do, of course altcoins will follow. Therefore, as I mentioned, we are potentially seeing the retest of the support level right here. In case the price of Chainlink should suffer even more, then there of course is a level that we do not want to see get broken right here, and that is this one, because this one is the 50% zone of this whole move right here, and therefore it is also the invalidation level of this price target of the $25.10 till the 25th of September. So that is of course something that we do not want to see. And right now I also want to tell you what I'm currently looking for. First of all, of course, we are looking for the downside targets, but to get back into a bullish stage, what we want to see is a break of structure, and that would happen. Let me show you right here when this would happen. So here you can see we have the top. We are making a move to the downside, bounce, forming a higher low, making a new lower low. Right now we got a little bounce, and right now we are moving here to the downside. The first bullish sign would be if we would hold this support level right here, but let's just say that we are moving slightly lower. What we want to see, and when we get the break of structure, is once we are getting above this recent high right here that we had, and if we break above this with a daily candle close, then we have our break of structure, and that is the first thing that I'm looking for right now, that we are getting the break of structure, either if we are holding this support level or potentially also moving lower here to the next support level. But the break of structure is currently what I'm looking for, and then we have directly here the next resistance zone. That is basically the old breakout level right here that we had from this move, and that would then be the next confirmation that we are looking for. And if we are going back above this level before the middle of the rectangle, then very likely we are aiming for to get this price target in somewhere in the second half of the rectangle. So these are basically the levels that I'm currently looking for. In case there should be any updates or changes, of course I will upload another video, so make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. Also, in case you have any questions or any other cryptos you want me to have a look at, feel free to post that down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.